Welcome to HYPR's registration tutorial for Windows workstations. This video will show you how to register your mobile device with your account so you can log into your computer using HYPR. Let's begin at the login screen for a Windows workstation. As this may be your first time registering, please proceed with your workstation password. After logging in, open the Workforce Access application on your desktop. If the shortcut icon is missing on your desktop, you can find it by typing in Workforce Access into your Windows search box. Once the application loads, click the Start Pairing button to generate a QR code. Now go to your mobile device and open the HYPR mobile app. Click on Add More Workstations. Once you scan the provided QR code on your workstation, your mobile device will ask for your Touch ID or Face ID to complete the registration. After you've successfully paired your device, there will be a new icon for your workstation on the mobile app. Click Finish and close the client. You'll now want to give HYPR a test run. First, lock your computer. When you're at the login screen, go to HYPR mobile app. Select your Windows workstation and you'll be granted access to your computer. Thank you for watching the tutorial, and may the hyperspeed be with you.